never go back on my word. I back it up what I say. This is who I am. I'm never gonna change for anyone. You can lure me to a people. I'm cautious as I can be. It will never work. Stop triggering my emotion. I'm happy-go-lucky as I go, without any care in the world. Shout as much as you want. It won't matter, my ear is shut. And I wouldn't hear a thing. I wouldn't listen to what you say. It's a bunch of nonsense coming out from your mouth. I wouldn't want it any other way. You keep repeating your lecture like you're some saint, but behind it you're covering for yourself. You use the book for some excuse. You're nothing but a fraud. Deep down inside, you're the same as me. Oh, 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 oh. I never go back on my word. I back it up what I say. This is who I am. I'm never gonna change for anyone. You can lure me to a people. I'm cautious as I can be. It will never work. Stop triggering my emotions.